My name's Suraj, and the week's been fantastic. It's been eye-opening. I can't believe how many opportunities are out there to make money and how creative you can get with all the strategies. The atmosphere, the energy has been absolutely amazing. I can't believe, there's people, like-minded people out there, and I'm so grateful to be in a room where, everyone's like-minded and shares the same vision as Samuel, me, all the mentors.
Have you seen deals being made this week?
Have
you seen any deals made this week?
So yeah, I've seen a lot of people make deals, and a lot of people make lease option agreements, and even myself, I've got a few leads to follow.
And has it surprised you how intense the week is? Has it inspired you?
It's inspired me. Yeah, it's made me make my goals 10 times bigger than what it was. I was thinking too small, but being in a room like this, sharing ideas with people, like-minded people, it's made me really ambitious, and I want to get to my goals 10 times faster.